The UC Personal Insight question number 3. What would you say is your greatest talent or skill? How have you developed and demonstrated that talent over time? Take a moment to think about 2 to 3 talents or skills that you have. Which one do you feel has the most importance? Which one do you find to be the most meaningful? When you choose that one talent or skill, think how you came about it. Do you find that this was a natural talent? Or was it a skill that you developed over time? Looking at your choice, try to figure out when you first realized you had this talent, and think about whether or not it's still the same from several years ago. Maybe this talent evolved into something new. It could be that you didn't realize you had the skill until college or until someone acknowledged it. This is an excellent question to help you identify your strengths and to focus on your individuality. Of course, there may be others that have a similar talent or skill, but it's how you use it that makes it unique. Whether it's old or new, whether it came naturally or through hard work, don't think that it's any less special or amazing. Believe in yourself. If you find that this question doesn't appeal to you, or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, that's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question, since there are 6 others to choose from. So take the time to explore your options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.